Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. As you're already aware by now, our website is now known as PMCLounge.com. We have changed our domain from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge, and making use of this change, we have upgraded our underlying technology. We have upgraded the way our site looks, the entire overlay of the website, the entire look and feel of the website, everything is updated. So I thought of coming up with this quick video and showing you around on the pmclounge.com website. So without further ado, let's go here. pmclounge.com. This is the website. There's a pop-up. If you want the study plan, you can click on this and it'll take you to the web page for the study plan. I don't want the study plan. I was the one who designed it, so that's fine. Let's move on, right? So you can see we have a start here link. If you're new, if you're wondering what needs to be done, you can always start on from this page. The entire course is here. A lot of these knowledge areas are already covered. A lot of them are under progress. So you can check out a specific knowledge area or just the basics, whatever that you're looking for. You can click on them. Like let's go to integration management, right? So integration management is something that is complete. If you go over to the integration management page, you will find that the topics for the integration management are listed on this web page, right? So this is integration management. Let me scroll down and show you the list of topics. So these are all the topics: project charter, business case, project management plan, direct and manage project work. Oops. Let me go down again. So work performance data, all these are basically the topics under integration management which are already covered. So you can check out any of the other knowledge areas that are covered under PMP full course. Then the study plan that we just spoke of, you've got certain resources that we kind of recommend, the books that you should have to clear your PMP, and then of course the PMI, the project management industry reports. Some of the industry reports that we have covered that were by PMI, and they are all listed here. All of their videos are available here. These reports are extremely important from the perspective of your project management interviews, right? If you're going for an interview for the project manager role, and if they ask you where is the project management industry heading to, if you are if you have not seen any of these videos, you will have no idea where the industry is heading to. If they ask you what are the top challenges of the project management industry, if you have never seen any of these videos, if you have never gone through any of the reports, you'll have no idea what are the challenges that project management industry faces. Again, a lot of work is already in progress. We have covered many other reports except the ones that are showing up here. All of them will show up here as we move, as we continue to update the website. Like I said, this is it's a new website. We are A lot of work is still under construction. If you still in progress rather than under construction, right? So this is just the list of top five recent video, the latest five recent videos. Then you've got the other latest videos, the trending, the videos that you're seeing, or the articles or videos, whatever. Then you've got integration management, the project management basics. We have, five articles from there. And if you scroll down further, you will find the PMP tips, info, and FAQs. If you want, you can look at all of the PMP tips, info, and FAQs that we have covered. Again, we have covered a lot of other things as well. There are a lot many articles, there are a lot more videos which are yet to be added on this page. So keep visiting this website, keep coming to this, and you will find the videos that you have been looking for. Of course, you can always search. The articles are already available on the website. It's just a matter of linking them because we have recently moved from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge. So we are still in the process of arranging all the articles in the one place. And then the footer, the basic stuff. So this is how the new pmclounge.com website looks like. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop them. We definitely look forward to your suggestions, what you think about the website. If you find it helpful, again, search feature has been enhanced significantly. Search for the articles that you're looking for. In the meantime, as we continue to link articles to their respective sections on the website. So that's all that I had in this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. to this YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMC Lounge. Check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMC Lounge and twitter.com/PMC Lounge. And as always, like you've just seen, PMCLounge.com is your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications, as well as the project management industry information through the PM reports section that we just saw, right? All right, that's all that I had. Thanks. Have a nice day.